Hi everyone and welcome back to God of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create Instagram page on your desktop. So first of all you have to open your Instagram, then you have to go to your profile, now you have to click on edit profile. So to set up Instagram page you have to switch your account to professional account. For this purpose we now click on edit profile. As you can see that this is a professional dashboard and the different sites are bind with it. So if you want to switch to professional account you just have to click on tools and you can easily switch to professional account from here, and then you have to click on professional account. Here you have to enter all the things such as the if you have a shop or you are a supplier or you are an artist, and you have to enter the email address, your business name, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, or do you want to reach out by the help of SMS or call. And now just click on submit, and that was the quick tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.